Okay, so we got the Dream Weld Shop giveaway going on right now at weldmetalsonline.com. Every $5 you spend gets you one entry into the big giveaway. But in the meantime, before November 4th, when we actually do announce that giveaway, I'm picking random orders to give away more stuff. And today I've got a winner. Let's see if he answers his phone. Is it gonna happen? Uh-oh.
Hello?
Hey, is this Wesley?
Sure is.
Hey, this is Justin with TFS. What's going on, man?
Doing pretty good. How about yourself?
Oh, you know, I'm doing all right, I guess. So, you have been randomly selected to choose between one of the awesome giveaway prizes that I have remaining.
All right.
I got a MIG 185, a Cut 50 plasma cutter, or the fixture table with a benchtop welding plate. Which one would you like?
I would take the MIG.
You want the MIG?
Sure would.
It's all yours, man, on the way. I'll have info and tracking for you after that, and then hopefully we'll see you on Weld Coach because it comes with a $100 gift card too.
All right. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Well, thanks for shopping at Weld Metals Online and following TFS.
Thank you.
All right, man. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye. Just that easy. All you got to do is buy something and I might pick you. Just the same as I did with Wesley. The TIG 225 is gone, the MIG 180 is now gone. That means I have the Cut 50 plasma cutter and the fixture table still waiting to be given to somebody else, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have more videos between now and then, so I'm going to have to figure out what more stuff I can give away for free to random people that order from weldmetalsonline.com and leave their phone number. Let's get on to today's video. I'm a little bit out of character here and my workstation is a complete disaster. We're actually right in the middle of another remodel expansion for the shop to get more people in here to work because we're always running out of space, it would seem. But this video that I shot originally, I didn't really care for it very much. It's welding a stainless steel tube to a stainless steel fuel level sender to make a return line for the system that it was working on. But that day I had this crazy headache and I just sounded like, ugh, and I'm all shaking and I was just out of it that day. So I was going to completely scrap this footage, but I figured since everybody's been asking forever and ever, for me to show multiple camera angles like my foot pedal, what it's doing, what the friggin' machine readout is doing while I'm welding, and of course the arc shots and everything else like that, even though I'd never really put one of those together, I figured I'd do it on this one because I guess maybe it'll help you understand what controlling your part is like and how I negotiate or navigate through a part that is very difficult to weld. Well, this would be it. Okay, argon line is hooked up. Got it wrapped around the table so that way it doesn't move. I got about 5 CFH pumping through this hose right here. We don't need a whole hell of a lot. I mean, really hardly any at all. And we got to run this kind of light on the amps anyway to avoid blowing through the tube. So I have a maximum on my foot pedal of 40 amps right now. Let's see if I can get a little drop. Crispy. See if we can. That's a pretty hefty tack weld right there. Basically just working this in little by little. And increasing amps as I need. Back way off of here. Now I have to reposition. Okay, new position. Very tight space, kind of cramped. But the same rules apply. I don't want to get overconfident or cocky on this piece because even though I can still kind of see it, I don't want to take a chance of blowing a hole through it, so I'm just going to cut bait, reposition, and we'll do this again. Okay, position number 3. I do have some blocks here that I'm cropping on. Let's see if I can get myself in a comfy spot. Anyway, it is settling on blocks, and I am actually resting my hand. I have 3 cameras to run right now. So again, we'll nice and easy. Give it the amps when I need it, and remove them when I don't. Around here, we'll tie in. Why am I still out of breath? Whew. No more dimple. Do a couple more checks here. This spot looks like it could be, no, maybe not. No, we're good there. All right. Still moves. Let's go in the right direction, about the correct length. Full pen, no sugar. There is some sugar on the bottom here, but that's going to happen. There's no way to shield the back side of it, unfortunately. But since it is inside the tank, that's okay because it won't rust. So the part was finished, everything is fine, delivered it back to the customer, all is well. At the end of the original video, I was talking and jabbing on about low amperage stability, but since I had such a headache, I was just like, and I was like, nah, this has got to go. Now, if you want to know what low amperage stability actually means, let me know down in the comments. I can do a deep dive on it on the Weld Coach channel because that's where it's more appropriate for it. But the thing is, this part actually didn't work. It turns out that the customer put the hole too close to the edge and they couldn't put the retaining ring back onto the gas tank when it was in there. So the customer brought me back another one. But this time it was way too close to the fuel level sending sensor unit where it passes through the stainless steel hat. There's not a way to easily weld that part without melting that sensor unit, and I don't want to dismantle it, and there's also not a lot of space, so I actually dug out that stupid cold welding machine that I reviewed several years ago, and I've had no use for it since, and I'm going to put that in another video. But here's a sneak peek. My other camera is in super slow-mo right now. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. But I'm going to try to do a super slow motion arc shot, which I've never tried before. And if it doesn't work, then I guess you'll just have to be staring at this angle.